Alright, so in this very video, I'm going to guide you on how you can create a text to image application or software and monetizing with AdMob in AdSense. Alright, so all you need to do is to watch this video down to the very end, because I'm going to break this down and show you how everything works and how you can also build this by yourself. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the script that I will use for this application, and also I'm going to simply show you how to build it, how to host it, and at the end part of this very video, I'm going to simply give you a bonus tip that will help you to even get your app out there for people to download. So all you need to do is simply watch the video down to the very end, hit that like button, subscribe to this very channel, don't forget to join us on our Telegram channel to stay updated on what we do here. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is simply head over to your browser, then you're going to simply search for DeepSeek.com. all right, so under this section you click on this start button right here. It's going to simply take you to a chat section where you can simply communicate with DeepSeek, okay, and give you the prompt you want it to generate for you. So what I'm going to do right now is simply paste the prompt which I've already copied. So this is what I want now. Then I'm going to simply hit on this send button. You can screenshot this or join us on our Patreon to get all the full script, okay? Then click on this send button. Alright, so you can show right here the whole script and code is ready. You can show right here both the HTML, CSS, JavaScript are in same blog. Okay, it says here that you have to simply sign up on HuggingFace. Okay, so first you need to simply sign up on this very platform. Go to huggingface.co. This is the website here. When you sign up, this is what they said here, that you should simply go to your settings. You have to simply go to your settings, then go to access token and also generate new token. Okay, so I've already done all of that. If you go to your profile from here, then you're going to simply go to settings right here. Okay, when you click on settings, then you're going to simply click on access token. Okay, you can see I have already generated my own token from this very section in 30 minutes ago. Okay, then you can simply create another one if you want to create another one, but I'm not going to create another one. I just want to use one. Okay, all right, so after creating that, then come back to your DeepSeek, scroll down a little bit, then hit on this copy button, copy this, go to your Windows from here, right click, then click on new, then click on test document. Okay, let's say text to image, then go ahead and open it, paste that particular code you copied from DeepSeek, which is this one, then hit on the file button, hit on save as .html. okay, then hit on the save button. You can show here it has been saved right here. Then what we have to do is to minimize, then click on this, open it via Chrome browser. Okay, let's say open via Chrome. Okay, you can see why this is what we have. We have the prompt to image converter where we can easily go ahead and select an image. You can see we have to add an image where we can simply go ahead and add an image right here. Let's say ball, then hit on the generate button. You can see it is not really working for now because there's no API code right here. Okay, when you copy that, go back to the test, then just locate where they said your HuggingFace token. Okay, you can see this is it right here, then paste it here, then hit on the paste button, then click on Ctrl S. It has been saved. Then the next one we're going to do right now is simply go back to this very section and click on open again, or you can easily go ahead and refresh it. Okay, the next thing you have to do is simply head back to DeepSeek right here. Then click on this send button. It has already generated that for us. Then click on this copy button. I'm going to copy it, then go back to your file, come to this section, click on Ctrl A, then paste that, then click on this file button, click on save as .html. okay, then hit on save, go to your home page from here, then hit on open with Chrome. Alright, so you can see what we have now. can see this is a cool design. Then refresh this page, then go ahead and click on this section right here, put in whatever you want to put there. For instance, if I say lion, then type in lion or type in the type of image you want it to generate, then hit on this generate button. You can see right here it has already given us lion from here. Okay, so let's say we want to generate let's say car. Okay, then hit on generate, allow it to load. Okay, you can see these are beautiful quality images that is giving us. Okay, let's say house. Okay, then hit on this generate button. Okay, you can see right here it is giving us the type of images we want. Okay, and if you want it to give you a specific type of image, you have to be specific in your own prompt. Okay, for instance, I want hit on generate image. Let's allow it to load. Okay, you can see right here this is a yellow ball in a green grass. Okay, and you can easily go ahead and save this image on your device. You can see right here it has been saved, and you can easily go ahead and download it from here. Okay, so the image has been downloaded. You can show right here this is the image, but I want this to look like a normal football. Okay, then hit on generate. Good, you can see right here this is quality, and we want it to be at the middle. Hit on generate. Okay, good one. You can see this is what we've already gotten. If you are specific with your prompt, then this is going to simply be specific with what you want to generate. Okay, so you can simply go ahead and download this type of image. All right, so the next thing you have to do is simply head over to GitHub. All right, then hit on GitHub, then search for GitHub. If you don't have an account on this platform, go ahead and click on this sign up button. Okay, so I'm going to simply log into my account right now. Then once your account is ready, this is how your home feed will be like. Okay, so click on this button here, click on this new repository, then you're going to simply add the name of the app. Let's say test2 image. All right, then scroll down a little bit, click on this create repository. Okay, it has been created. Click on this upload existing file, click on this, choose your file. Okay, so we're going to simply upload this file right here. This is the index. Okay, click on open. It's loading, then click on commit changes. If you see this kind of error, you have to simply click on this, yes, it is used as test, then click on allow secret, then hit on this. At this moment you're going to see it at the top. Okay, then click on open, then hit on commit changes. Okay, it has been added. Come to this section that says settings, go to pages, click on this none section, then select main. Okay, then hit on save. We're going to simply wait for the link of this very tool to come up. Okay, so this is what we want right now. Then you can simply click on this. Let's say want to refresh this. Okay, so the app is ready for us. Click on this visit button. Let's see how it's going to simply look like. Okay, all right, you can see right here this is the image generator. You can monetize this particular tool via AdMob and make money. So if you want me to make a video on how to monetize this, just comment AdMob on the comment section, then I'm going to simply show you how to monetize this and make money via AdMob, via in-app purchase, and also offering this as a service. Okay, so if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to this video channel, comment where you're watching from, and also comment AdMob if you want me to make a video on how to monetize this particular one right here. Okay, see you in that particular video.